Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware and app ready. Turn on NFC in settings so your phone can emit the contactless signal, and make Google Pay your default tap-to-pay app. This ensures the system routes payment events to the right app. Once done, open Google Pay and sign in so permissions and payment methods load. You need a saved card or token. Add one now if missing. These steps make the device capable of triggering the Google Pay sound during a successful tap. Next, you enable the audible confirmation and verify system audio. In Google Pay settings, turn on the payment sound or notification tone so the app issues an audible cue on success. Then make sure system and media volumes are up. Sometimes system sounds are separate. Once configured, test with a low-value tap at a terminal or a mock reader app to provoke the sound. If you hear it, the flow is complete. If not, proceed to deeper checks. To finish, you verify potential blockers and perform corrective steps. Rebooting clears transient NFC or audio service conflicts, so restart the phone and try tapping again. Make sure battery saver and do not disturb aren't muting payment sounds. Adjust exceptions if needed. If the sound remains absent, uninstall and reinstall Google Pay, then re-grant notification and audio permissions so the app can play tones. If problems persist, test another terminal to rule out reader-side feedback. Sometimes the terminal, not your phone, controls the audible confirmation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.